Good morning, students. Today we will do paragraph writing, and the topic of paragraph writing is description of an event from past to present. Means we have to tell about any event or any occurrence about past and present. किसी भी इवेंट के पास्ट से लेके प्रेजेंट तक का डिस्क्रिप्शन हमें बताना है. So our today's topic is means of communication. Means of communication, which means of communication were used in the past and which means are used in the present. This we will do in today's session. First of all, I would like to tell about the communication. Communication has always been a part of American culture. Communication जो है वो always American culture का एक पार्ट रहा है. And why the communication is necessary? Communication is necessary. Why? To share our thoughts, ideas, feelings, to share our knowledge or to gain knowledge from others also. Crucial part of people's social life. Communication is the crucial part. जो communication है वो लोगों की लाइफ का एक crucial part है. So here I am telling you the means of communication which were used in the past, and later on I will tell you about the present means of communication. First of all, smoke signals were used to send. सबसे पहले smoke signals भेजे जाते थे for the means of communication. Send only simple messages. Smoke signals were used only to send the simple message. सिंपल मैसेज उसके अंदर सेंड किए जाते थे. बहुत बड़े मैसेज और बहुत कुछ उसके अंदर नहीं कम्युनिकेट हो पाता था. ओनली स्मोक सिग्नल्स वर यूज्ड एट दैट टाइम एंड नो अदर मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन वॉज देयर. देन व्हेन पॉपुलेशन ग्रो, पीपल नीडेड टू ग्रो. जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी, पीपल ऑल्सो नीडेड टू ग्रो एंड नीड लॉन्ग मैसेजेस. अर्लियर दे वर सेंडिंग सिंपल मैसेजेस, but as the population grow they need to send the long messages, long communication they want to do. That's why the smoke signal was not sufficient, so something else came in existence. Let us see what was that. That was the letter writing. So when the population grew, then there was the need of the long messages. So the smoke signals were replaced with the letter writing. In 19th century, invention of telegram was occurred. Firstly smoke signals, then letter writing, after that telegraph. It is used electric signals. जो टेलीग्राफ थे वो इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नल्स यूज़ करते थे. So first of all smoke signals, then letter writing, and after that electrical, after that telegraphs. Now next, many wires used to translate message. टेलीग्राफ्स के अंदर बहुत सारी वायर्स थी वो यूज़ की जाती थी टू ट्रांसलेट द मैसेजेस. सो आफ्टर दैट wireless telegram invented. Firstly smoke signals, then letters, then telegraph, and that was connected with the wires. After that wireless, and wireless had three major parts. जो wireless था telegraph, it was having three parts: sender, receiver and code. It was having how many parts? Three: sender, receiver and code. Then telecommunication came into existence. So past we have discussed. Based on these hints you can write a paragraph easily with your own ideas. How? Firstly you will have to tell what the communication is, why it is necessary, and how the people used to communicate in the earlier time. Now I will tell you about the present means of communication. Now present. And present times means of communications are telephone, radio. Radio is not present, but not used much, but some years before they were used. Cable television, internet, mobile phones. They are the means of communication used today. So telephone. Telephone firstly wire based, केबल यूज्ड मीन्स टेलीफोन्स जो पहले यूज़ होते थे सम ईयर्स बिफोर देवर वायर बेस्ड, वायर्स होती थी उनके साथ, एंड केबल्स यूज्ड बट फेल्ड. बट जो टेलीफोन्स थे दे वर टेकिंग द वायर्स बट दे फेल्ड. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम समथिंग मोर केम इन टू एग्जिस्टेंस दैट वॉज द वायरलेस, because why they were failed, couldn't work under water. Telephones were not able to work under the water because the signals get failed. So after that television came into existence. First of all the televisions were antenna based. Now they are without the antennas. How the television is the means of communication? Through the news. The people are connected to each other all over the world. Now people want everything fast. First of all, only simple messages were sent in the past, but nowadays people want everything fast. That's why cell phones are used. They are very useful to the people, like for text messages, downloading applications. People used to use the telephones for downloading different type of applications, and they are useful in some other ways also, like emails are sent, people can do video chatting, and you are also aware about that. Text messages just with a click of button in the future, but these are used nowadays. Means of communication which are used nowadays also: internet, computer, tablets, newspapers and magazines. In a few years newspaper, books and advertisements will all be created and made only for online. What it means, on in a few years, थोड़े ही टाइम में जो न्यूज़पेपर हैं, बुक्स हैं एंड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स हैं, दे विल ऑल्सो बी ऑनलाइन. थैंक यू. Now students, I am telling you about some topics about which you can write present or past description. Means of transport. Means of transportation जो past में use होते थे and which are used nowadays. Source of entertainment, how the people used to entertain themselves in the past years and how the people are entertaining themselves nowadays. वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता होगा because you entertain. Schools and colleges, which type of schools and colleges were there in the past. You can take the help of your grandmother, grandfather, and even your mother, father also. There is somewhat difference in nowadays schools and colleges and in the earlier times. Gender equality. Gender equality means there was a difference between the treatment of girl and the boys in the past years. Means they were not considering girls more superior than the boys. In the earlier time much importance was given only to the boys, not to the girls, but nowadays it's not like that. Now boys and girls both are treated equally. Ways of living, लोगों का रहन सहन कैसा था in the past and nowadays. Like ways of living, in the ways of living you could describe the houses of the people. In earlier times they used to live in kacha houses, now they are living in pakka houses and bungalows like this. So now let me tell you means of transportation about present and past. Walking. In the earlier times people used to cover the long distance just by walking, but nowadays क्या होता है, we use the cars, buses, and in a very less time we used to reach our destination. But in the past it was not like that. It takes so many days, long time to reach from one place to the another place. Palanquin. Palanquin means palkis. आजकल भी आप लोगों ने देखी होंगी but in the photographs only or on the TV. One of the luxurious method, जो palkis थी, they were used by the rich people. It was considered as the luxurious method. Everybody could not afford at that time. So in earlier time bullock carts and horse carriages were also used. Now also in small towns bullock carts can be seen. In the villages also you can see the bullock carts. These all were used in the past, but bullock carts can be seen now also in some of the towns or villages. Firstly, people used to walk, and it take a long of so much time. Then palkis were also used, but they were used by the rich people. It was the luxurious method. Then bullock carts and horse carriages. Then next, bicycles. Bicycles were used 50 to 70% in rural areas. Nowadays also bicycles are used, but not that much how much they were used in the past. Bicycles means nowadays though bicycles which are used, they are of fancy types. People use it for the exercise also, especially. Hand pullers means which used to pull with the hands. Hand pullers are still available in Calcutta. हैंड पुलर्स जो हाथ से चलते थे, they are still there in Calcutta. Let me see next. Presently, तो आजकल क्या यूज़ होता है? Nowadays we are using buses, trains, planes, bikes, cars, etc. Some more are also there. So these are the fastest means. These are the fast means. Nowadays these are the fast means, but in the past they were very slow means. So next topic is source of entertainment. How the people entertain themselves in the past and how they are entertaining themselves nowadays. Entertainment for the enjoyment. पहले लोग क्या करते थे और आजकल लोग क्या करते हैं? I think so about today's entertainment you are very much aware about that. So past. So in the past people used to sit in the groups and talk, and they share their ideas. They tell the stories also, and they do singing also just for the entertainment. But they all were the means of entertainment only in the past. And presently how the people are entertaining themselves, so many means are there for the entertainment. वीडियो गेम्स जो हम बहुत खेलते हैं, टीवी, सोशल मीडिया like FB, WhatsApp, Insta and so on. We are very much aware about it. I think so you can write much about it. So you have to practice writing paragraphs on your own on the given topics I have earlier told you, but I am telling you again. Topics are means of transport, source of entertainment, schools and colleges, gender equality, ways of living. No need to write all these paras in your fair notebook. No need to write. Just note down the topics and practice on your own, and gather much of the information about these things, and with your own ideas write a paragraph by yourself. You can take the help of your parents also. I hope you have enjoyed it and understood also. So keep on practicing daily. Thank you so much.